Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Kryptonite from Drip to Wealth, and we are back again with the RON protocol on the post-chain network, the ROI DApp that is taking names and kicking you know what. But hey, look, I got a question for you. Have you been in a situation where you want to create a new stake, but you just simply don't have the dry powder? So you got to come up with an option. You got to pivot. And here's why I want to create this stake. My daily income is up to 2.63% every 24 hours. So I want to get this stake in, but here's my problem. If we go back to the bond tab, you'll notice that I've got the LPs, the DAI wrap PLS, sitting in my wallet for a total of 25,300. So if we hit the max button, the value, the USD value of that is $400.79. Well, once I create a bond for the $400, I've got to have the $400 plus 30%. So here it is, $561.10. I got to have that in DAI wrap PLS to create a stake. And I don't have it. I have unloaded the clip. There's been so many projects that have been launching recently, and I've been playing around a little bit. Plus, it's the holidays here in the States, and money's kind of short. But I'm not going to give up, right? I got to be creative because I want to earn the 2.63%. So what we're going to do is we're going to test out the strategy from the teacher, the professor, the man himself, Moonshot Max. So here's what Moonshot Max is suggesting for strategy. If you have a specific dollar amount or number of DAI wrap PLS LPs that you want to use, if you want to bond and create a stake for 30 days, use 43% of those LPs to create the 30-day bond. Pause. Once you've created the bond, you will use the remaining balance of the LPs sitting in your wallet to create the stake. Are you guys picking up what I'm putting down? Right? So 43% of the total LPs that you have sitting in your wallet, because keep in mind, there's going to be an additional 30% added for the bonus. And then the balance that sits in your wallet, you'll use that to create a stake. So let's do this. Let's head over to spreadsheet I created. I've got two sections. I've got total invested allocation for 30 days and then a total invested allocation for 40 days. Let's start dropping in some numbers. Initial investment. So my total DAI wrap PLS balance is 25,300. We'll grab that number. 25,300. The percent for 30 days is 43%. We'll type in 0.43. So right now, we should create a bond for 10,879 DAI wrap PLS. Again, are you guys picking up what I'm putting down? Perfect. All right. Once we do that, we should then be able to say our initial balance in our wallet is to 25,300 minus the bond that I just created should leave me with a remaining DAI wrap PLS balance of 14,421. Right? You'll notice that my remaining DAI wrap PLS is higher than the bond that I created plus the bonus. Right? Because the 10,879, if we click right here on this cell, you'll notice that it's taking the 10,879 times 1.3, which is plus 30%. So I'll be creating a stake for 14,142.70, which means I must have a remaining DAI wrap PLS in my wallet of at least a 14,142, if not higher. So in this example, my remaining DAI, wrap PLS, is higher than the 14,142. So we're Gucci. It's higher by 278.3, which is totally fine. So we'll head over and we should type in the 10,879, 10,879. Okay. And we want to turn that into a 30-day stake. So right now, our 10,879 is $172.33. The total warrant tokens we're going to be getting is 14,137, which is $224.03. So let's go back to my spreadsheet and see if directionally we're on track. 14,142.7, 14,137.76. Close enough. Close enough. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and create this bond. So we'll click on create. We'll go ahead and confirm it. Transaction confirmed. If you scroll down, you'll notice that under active bonds, here's the one we just created. Here's the warrant amount, 14,137.76, and it will end 30 days from today. Here's a quick back of the envelope check. The total LPs that I have remaining in my wallet is 14,421. That number needs to be higher than my bond. And here it is, 14,137.76 is lower than that number. So we have more than enough in our wallet to create this stake. So the next thing we'll do is we'll click on stake bonds and we'll select our bond. Boom. Stake a bond. Confirm it. Transaction confirmed. Same thing. Let's go ahead and scroll down. I'm on page 2. Somebody's been busy creating stakes. That will be me. So let's go to page 2. We're looking for 0 days. And the way that I think this reads is the stake, the most recent stake, slides down to the bottom. I believe that's how it is. And here's how you'll know. First, the day staked is 0 days. Profit for the period, very little, which means it just got created. All right. So we are all good. So my total bond staked 270,081. Woo-hoo! Let me do something. Personal bonus 0.03. Let's go ahead and refresh this. Let's see if that number changes after that. Nope. All right, my personal bonus stays the same. No worries at all. All right, so we are cooking with grease. Shout out to the 2 individuals that actually use my referral link. I appreciate you guys. Anybody else who is interested in Warren, I'm going to leave my referral link in the description. And there may be a bonus for those who got this far and uses my referral link to jump into Warren. I'm not saying, but there could be, right? Especially for those people that made it this far in the video. So again, I appreciate all of you guys. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Go to my Telegram. I'm on Twitter. Both are Drip2Wealth. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and throw on your bell notification. In the meantime, I wish you all peace and prosperity. Stay hydrated. We out.